Sustainability.
Yeah.
So different markets again. So you have different kind of regulations, and looking at the US market, for instance, we see that if you have like 5 or 6 medicine, you pack that in, we call that bingo cards. If you at that point going back to a multi-dose card, then you only have 1 card instead of 6. So at that point, you're doing a great job. And we're going to, in the industry, we're developing materials which are compostable. So sustainable, environmental friendly. A lot of people maybe not understand exactly where we talk about, because there are different things we need to talk about. We talk about, is it recyclable? That's one part. Is it compostable? It's compostable in a month or in a year or 10 years. So there's a lot of different kind of things. We see at that point good movement. So materials which are compostable, that's great. We see at that point also blister cards made by different kind of materials which are also compostable, for instance. But there is also the cost. It's more expensive, for instance. We in the company, we are right now working on a closed loop of recycled materials. So it means that we are using all the materials which are used in the blister card. We're going through that specific study right now. I think it's important, but beside that, I think we already do a great job.